Identifying sentence error. Number 1. Color blindness may exist at birth or may occur later in life as a result of disease or injury. Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Alin kaya ang mali dito sa ating pangungusap? Yung letter A, yun yung ating subject. Yung color blindness, no problem naman doon sa provision nun. Exist is also correct dahil yung ginamit dito ay base form ng word exist. Ginagamit natin yung base form kapag sumusunod dito sa modal verb. Ang modal verb na ginamit ay may. Yung letter C, later in, tama naman yung phrase na yon. Ang usage nito ay tama, later in life, not later on life. So ang mali natin ay yung letter D. Bakit kaya? Tandaan, a result of, not a result for. Ginagamit yung preposition of for kung mayroong purpose, may expression of purpose. A result of disease or injury. So yung letter E, hindi sasagot kasi ang mali nga natin is letter D. Alright? As a result of, not as a result for. Next, punta tayo sa number 2. Methane in wetlands comes from soil bacteria that consumes organic plant matter. Ang mali ba ay A, B, C, or D? Alin kaya ang mali? Meron tayong mali dito, so ang gagawin natin, hindi natin isasagot yung letter E. Yung letter A comes, tama naman kasi ang subject natin ay singular, yung methane. That's why yung ating verb dyan ay may S. Yung B from wetlands, no? Ibig sabihin tama yung ginamit na preposition. Yung ating from ay tama. Comes from what? Wetlands. Now, yung soil bacteria, yan ang ating magiging reference para makita yung mali. So, yung mali kasi natin dito is yung consumes. Bakit kaya naging mali? Kasi ang bacteria ay plural. Ano ba ang singular ng bacteria? Ang singular ng bacteria ay bacterium. Now, ang mali ay letter C dahil ang ginamit natin dito ay yung may S. Dapat po, walang S yung consume. Dapat po, consume lang at hindi consumes. Plural po yun. Alright, so yun ang ating error. Palitan natin ito ng consume. Yung letter D, walang mali dyan, matter, at hindi sasagot ang letter E. Be careful dito sa ganitong structure na medyo mahaba kung saan matatagpo natin ang error doon sa may relative clauses. Tandaan, pag singular ang subject, dapat ang verb ay singular. Pag plural ang subject, dapat ang verb ay plural din ang form. Next, number 3. In space, with no gravity for muscles to work against, the body becomes weakly. A, B, C, D, or E ang mali. May mali dito, hindi natin sasagot yung letter E. In space, with no gravity. Tama naman yung A, no. Negative. For muscles to work. Tama naman itong infinitive na to work. Against. So yung preposition na against is also correct. Okay, so wala namang mali dyan. Work against. Now, yung mali natin ay kita natin yung letter D. Weakly. Body becomes weakly. So yung weakly is an adverb. Okay, yan ang mali natin. Bakit po kaya? Ang adverb, ang kaya niyang i-modify ay yung verb, adverb, at adjective. So, ang kakayahan ng adverb ay mag-modify ng verb, adjective, and verb. Pero bakit mali dito? Hindi ba't binamodify niya yung becomes? Hindi po. Kasi kulang yung statement. Nagmumukhang ang minamodify ng weakly ay yung body. Hindi kayang i-modify ng adverb na weakly yung body. Kasi ang body ay noun. Wala dun sa tatlong nabanggit. So, ang kaya lang mag-modify sa noun ay adjective. So, instead of weakly, gagawin natin ay weak, yung adjective form niya. Okay, so the body becomes weak, not weakly. Number 4, the body depends in food as its primary source of energy. A, B, C, D, or E ang error. Alin kaya ang mali dito sa ating pangungusap? Depends. Tama naman yung depends kasi singular yung subject natin, body. Dapat ang verb natin ay nasa S form. Singular subject. Dapat may S yung verb sa subject and verb agreement. Diba? Sa present simple tense. In yung ating error. Na-spot agad natin kasi hindi natin gagamitin yung in. Instead of it, gagamitin natin ay depends on. So, yung letter C, walang mali kasi may possession dito, yung primary source of energy. So, tama yung ginamit natin, walang apostrophe na it's. Yung of, yung preposition na yun is also correct, yung usage, and yung letter E, hindi natin isasagot. Again, bakit naging error yung letter B? Kasi dapat po ay depends on, not depends in. If you're depending on something, gagamitin natin yung on, as in depend directly on food. Hindi po yung preposition na in. Pwede mong gamitin yung depend upon, pero hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung depend in.